Hi everyone. Just a few minutes ago, I just threw the question out there. Hey, who with kvCORE has started using API Nation? And I know there's some of you who probably are maybe new to API Nation, new to kvCORE, new to what an API is, which stands for Application Program Interface. And basically, it means it has the ability to bridge data from one aspect point to another. So it helps bridge information like from Facebook to kvCORE or kvCORE to MailChimp or kvCORE to Constant Contact, BombBomb, etc. So you can set up all of these little triggers within the system via these APIs to do different jobs for you. So we did have a couple of webinars last week that I dropped into the comments on this thread. So we had one on the 26th of June to intro, and then last Wednesday we had a class that went over Google Forms, Constant Contact, and MailChimp and gave a nice little sneak peek to Mojo. So let's go ahead and look at the kvCORE dashboard, and I'll show you how to find the connection to API Nation. So on your kvCORE dashboard, this information lives within your marketplace. So you're going to scroll it on down this left-hand side and click into the marketplace. Now, you can either find API Nation by clicking on the tile, scrolling down and clicking on the tile, or just type in API at the top left and the tile will come right up to you. Now, when you click Get This, it's actually going to open up more information for you to learn about API Nation and what it can offer. And one of the largest things I would say to glom onto this, learn about it, watch those webinars, is they've actually given us a sweetheart deal of allowing us to sync Facebook lead ads to kvCORE for free, which is huge. So if you're watching your dollars, being frugal, looking at ways to kind of eliminate some costs, you could do that here potentially and put those advertising dollars to maybe postcards, something of that nature that might help your marketing and business. So you can read more about API Nation integrations here. And when you want to opt into it and check it out, you need to click Add to kvCORE. And this little pop-up is going to occur. So it's saying, hey, we need you to sync with API Nation. Now, of course, you can maximize this screen. And you can see here currently, they have these connections available via API Nation and kvCORE. So there's BombBomb, which is huge. I know a lot of people are probably like going, oh, what the heck? So yeah, BombBomb, big deal for those of you who love BombBomb. Constant Contact, Facebook, again, free, which is amazing. MailChimp and Google Sheets. And what'll be a little different from you is you're going to have a little sign up that's going to say, hey, we need you to put in your kvCORE email, and that's going to allow you to sync API Nation with kvCORE and get started in setting up these different workflows. So I encourage you to pop into your marketplace, look at the API Nation tile, click on Get This, read more about it. Go into the group, and I'll do a shortcut to this thread about who started using API Nation, so you can take a look at the 2 webinars as well as the real simple syncs of which you can set up. So I hope this has kind of inspired people, giving you a little wind beneath your wings on like the possibilities of advertising and using these MailChimp or Constant Contact. And I hope you all have a great rest of the day. Bye-bye.